No, this is not a Hollywood red carpet event, though it feels like one. We're actually here at the Vinoy Resort in downtown St. Petersburg for the All Children's Hospital Charity Ball. Let's take a look. The Vinoy Renaissance Resort hosted a spectacular event where supporters of All Children's Hospital came out for the 80th annual Charity Ball, which did have a red carpet theme called And the Winner Is.
Tonight is our 80th Celebrity Charity Ball for All Children's Hospital.
Well, we've been here 85 years and the community's always supported us, and this is just another example of the tremendous outpouring of support from the Tampa Bay community for all children.
Whatever money's raised, all go to all the kids and the children of our community. We go all the way from Naples all the way up to Citrus, so it's a win-win for everybody here in the St. Pete, Tampa Bay area.
Everything that this group does is in support of All Children's Hospital Foundation, which in turn, of course, comes back to the hospital. So they have been one of our longest running donors to the hospital, and they have done a phenomenal job.
Well, we couldn't do it without the philanthropic support of the community. It is vital to the growth of All Children's Hospital. It is, and we're so blessed to have such a generous community here in St. Petersburg and throughout Tampa Bay.
I think they all recognize what a gem we have here in St. Pete with All Children's Hospital, and so they commit their time, but for our major sponsors, their money and their enthusiasm to be here.
With all the changes national level and state level in healthcare, support from the community philanthropy is unbelievably important to us.
It's made such a difference in the lives of children, and we really have been able to just quote our vision, creating healthy tomorrows for one child and all children, and they do that.
We have had 18 sponsors, 3 major sponsors. We have Raymond James, American Municipals, and Dr. Satil and Florida Pediatrics Association. All have been longtime supporters of All Children's. They've all been touched by a sick child that has come into All Children's, and All Children's has been more than wonderful in helping their families, and that's why we do it.
The event included live entertainment, a live auction that included travel packages and memorabilia, and also jewelry from the Golden Diamond Source. For supporters, it was a fun-filled evening of entertainment, food, and libations.
You know, we're all trying to make it fun. We're trying to engage the community, understand how important it is to have an organization that's there to take care of children, and that I think that's what we're all about. And we're trying to generate that excitement and getting people enthused about that cause.
I have a young family. I have a daughter who's 20 months old. We've actually already used the services once, unfortunately, but they've been great. They're always there. They're always supportive. They're always great.
Local TV personality Rod Carter was proud to MC the event.
You know, if you've ever set foot in All Children's Hospital, you know how wonderful a facility that is and how it helps a lot of children, a lot of parents. It's just, so to be here tonight, see everybody all dressed up and looking all spiffy, it is Hollywood. It is Hollywood with a cause. It's a party with a purpose, so it's a great event tonight.
Steve and Julie Weintraub from the Golden Diamond Source and Hands Across the Bay were so excited to lend their support to this great cause.
We're so excited to be here for All Children. It's the 80th annual All Children's Ball, and it's just amazing. I mean, look around the room. It's so beautifully done. And look at these tables, the long feasting tables they have here this year. And I don't know if you've been to the new hospital, but it's amazing. So it's good to see all this work and all these years attending these events, the actual results from that.
Our vision is to do what we do, help as many people as we can, and that's what we believe in. We're fortunate enough to be doing well in our business. Our business keeps growing, and we like to give back to the community in the way that we can and to attend these events. And we have fun. It's fun, but we like raising money for these special causes.
Without the support from the local community, All Children's Hospital could not operate at such a high level.
We are so proud. We have just completed a $4 million pledge, which will underwrite the neonatology intensive care unit for the hospital.
Each one of those beds with all the equipment can be the cost of a BMW by the time you put everything together. So the money that we raise will go to help pay for things like that, you know, the hospital may not be able to afford to do on their own.
Love it. Love what we do. Not only what we do in the hospital, but what we do around the McDonald House, taking care of the kids, families, so that they can get better care in the hospital.
We're very proud to support All Children's, but as a parent, my wife and I, of 2 teenage daughters, we spent many a night in the emergency room at All Children's. And we're very, very blessed to have All Children's here in St. Petersburg.
We thank all of our sponsors so much. Without your sponsorship, we really can't give the funds that we would like to All Children's Hospital. And thank you for your fun, your friendship, where we consider ourselves friend raisers as well as fundraisers. So thank you.
From the All Children's Hospital Charity Ball, for Good Life Tampa Bay, I'm H. John Mejia.
To support this great cause, be sure to go to www.allkids.org. That's www.allkids.org.